Yo, what's up guys? In today's video, we're going to be playing some exploding kittens. If you guys do want to play with me, then be sure to drop a like, subscribe, and then comment, I guess maybe a time you'd want to play. So, yeah, let's get into this. It looks like I'm playing against one guy. That's like, it never happened. I've never played against just one guy. So, sorry if you hear some noise in the background. I'm doing something. And he left. Jeez. What a win. Like, I mean, that was just so easy to win. Wow. See, can we win 3 in a row? I might even be able to do 4, but, oh, looks like, oh, some guy's named Kill Trump. Sorry if you like Trump. Tweedledum just disconnected. It's foot blurks. See what he does. Although I don't have cards, neither does anybody else. Don't end up. Yeah, no way, no. Oh, I won again, twice. Oh my god, twice. Come on. Oh man. What if I get 3 wins in a row? Okay, not my cat cuddlebug. Kill Trump again. McCloven. Okay. Again, sorry if you like Trump. Don't be mad at me because this is an video. Okay, so 2 wins. Let's try to get a 3rd. Yeah, I'm still gonna count this as 2 wins because I mean, come on, I won. I mean, it's pretty rare that ever happens, but okay. So these are ours. It's my turn. What should I do? I'm going to stick up a card. Dude, but I love this game so much. It's like it's so funny and fun. And I'm gonna start just talking to people already. So I'm gonna say hello. I'm gonna say corns and dogs. I made corns and dogs.
And also some dogs.
I knew he wasn't gonna put it on the top because I'm pretty sure he's not gonna be cheeky.
I have a stick deep inside me.
Oh, okay, it's my turn. Please don't be an exploding kitten. No way! No way! Starting off amazingly, guys. We've got 2 diffuses, a see the future, 2 slaps, a steel card, but I'm now going to actually noise. Do. Me and some of my friends play, right? But what we do is we will try to join at the same time, and then we'll end up joining in the same match, and it's pretty great. But yeah, if you do want to play and you have the game, comment down a time you want to play, and I'll try to be able to play with you. I'll probably not be able to play with everyone, but a couple of you I probably will be able to play with. Okay.
It's your turn.
Okay, I'm gonna do a steel card on McCloven because you know why not. What's he gonna give me? You reverse. You know what, YOLO. Yes! I still got 2 things. I got so much skips. Like, guys, I might win because I have so many skips. People might have steals. Like, people might have it. Oh, he's done. He's done. First guy out. And so we usually don't ever. It's rare that we have people like die when there's only 8 cards left. Like, I mean, it's like it's rare for the first person to die when there's only 8. Don't steal from me. really hope that they go against each other.
Kittens.
I hate you, Cuddlebug. Come on, draw a card and be an exploding kitten, please. I would laugh so hard. Yes! Now it's just me, kill Trump, and not my cat. Okay, so first one.
Nom, 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 nom. One, two, three kittens. Pew, pew.
Yeah, they diffuse.
It's your turn.
It's definitely so, I'm just gonna skip. Come on, guys. Let's do this. Can we get 3 wins in a row? I don't know. I think it's going to be tough. 1 card left in the deck. Nope. Slap me. I dare you. Yeah, to defuse. I wonder where he's going to put it. I think I'm going to win. You know what? I'll draw, you know. Oh, no. Let's see, can I win? I know, buddy. Well played. And I still have 4 slaps left. 3 wins. Doom. That's going to be the end of this video. If you guys did like, then please do drop a like and subscribe. It'd really help my channel. And I hope to see you all in the next video.